The 1036. This is a self-contained hot air station with a built-in air source specifically designed to navigate densely populated areas with pinpoint accuracy. It provides precise application of hot air for components with up to 84 pins or 208 QFP. The unit comes with a separate power and pump switch, so you can leave the tool on without the pump running. This cuts down on noise and saves energy. On the side of the unit is the adjustable airflow. The temperature control is conveniently located on the handle. The temperature range is 400 degrees to 800 degrees Fahrenheit and temperature regulation plus minus 6 degrees Fahrenheit. The 95-watt heater delivers outstanding heat delivery and recovery. Excellent for use on surface mount boards. Tip change is easy. With the unit turned off and the tip at room temperature, use the WT620 to remove the tip. This wrench can be found in the accessories kit. Use the AN112 anti-seize compound on the threads of the tip before replacing it. As with all EDSYN stations, it is possible to customize it to suit your needs. For example, the 1036 can become a multifunctioning dual unit by adding a PD528 pod and a CL1080 soldering iron. The 1036 also comes with a removable sponge tray and a full accessories kit.